Hello, hello again. It's me, Gregory Scott. And today we're going to learn more English. We're going to listen, we're going to watch, and we're going to understand. We're always listening, watching, and understanding. And one day we'll be speaking. You'll be speaking English. So today we're going shopping. We're going shopping. So I'm going to spend some money. I'm going to spend some money, but first I have to get ready. So I just got out of the shower, so my hair is wet, and now we have to get ready. Here is all I need to get ready. Here's what I'm going to wear. I have to put on socks, then I have to put on a shirt, then I have to put on underwear, then I have to put on pants. I'm going to wear deodorant, and this is for my hair. Every black person like me, every black person has an afro pick. This shirt, it's a shirt, a black shirt, but it's also called a tank top. Tank top, pants, but also called sweatpants. Sweatpants, deodorant, tank top or shirt, socks. Do you know who this is? Sonic the Hedgehog. Underwear. Socks. Pick. Good. Hi again. So now I'm in my car. And we're going to drive. We're going to drive to the thrift shop. So a thrift shop, it's a clothing store, but it's not new clothes. It's clothes that have already been worn. Or we could say secondhand clothing store, a thrift shop. So we're going to drive to the thrift shop and we're going to buy some clothes. Let's go. Blue skies, clouds, so beautiful.
Al séptimo episodio de esta serie sobre celebridades colombianas. Me encanta hablarles de mi país,
When I'm driving, I listen to comprehensible input. Me, I'm listening to Spanish. I'm learning Spanish. So I'm listening, I'm watching, and I'm understanding. Shout out Dreaming Spanish. Okay, so here we are now in the dressing room. I found 3 shirts. Number 1. Not bad. I like it. This one, it's okay. Little small. Okay. So of these 3, I like this one. This one's too small. This one's good. So I'll get these 2. All right. So we got 2 shirts. We got 2 shirts, and now I'm going to drive home. Okay, so we're back. We're back in the car, in my car. I got 2 shirts. I got 2 shirts, so I'm happy. I'm happy. 2 shirts. Pretty okay shirts. I'm happy. It was a good day. I'm happy. I'm happy that you're listening. I'm happy that you're watching, and I'm happy that you're learning English. So let's keep going. I'll keep making videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.